I don't
Yes, sir.
So my energy is a little bit low. Okay, substitution we did. Yes, so now the Maharaja has come. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Hello, sir. Am I audible, Talha? Assalamu alaikum, sir. Walaikum salam. Walaikum salam, Captain Jack Sparrow. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. By blessing of you and Rizwan and my students, I am doing fine. Okay, so now we should go ahead, right? Talha, I don't know when Talha is going to join. So this was which chapter? See, so your school opened, right, Talha?
Yes, sir.
And they are doing what chapter? Which exercise?
Exercise 3.2.
3.2. Oh, so they are still on 3.2. Okay.
Yeah.
So let us finish this quickly. 3.5 and then. Yes. So what is happening with your anime world? Did you catch up to us?
Catch up.
Or
I'm gonna catch up today.
okay. Today the mission will start, right?
Yes, sir.
So the mission.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So fifth, we were at this fifth question, right? I'm sorry, I'm not well today, so my energy would be low today. So please
Yeah,
forgive
problem,
me.
sir.
Forgive me for
No,
that.
it's fine.
Okay, so
It's
the
fine.
eight. Okay, thank you. So yes, the area. Let's say what were the two unknowns we already discussed. So two unknowns were length and breadth, right? Right. So
Yes,
this
sir.
was the length and this was the breadth. Okay.
Yes.
So this was rectangle. Okay. So this was rectangle and okay. So what is the area of this rectangle? So the area would be what? Length and breadth are, let's say, rectangle. Okay, so length and breadth are x and y, so length into breadth, right? Okay, who has joined? Adil, is that you? Adil? Am I audible, Adil? Okay, so maybe his mic is not working. Yes, Assalamu alaikum, Adil sir. You correct your mic or internet in your those two. Okay, so Adil, we were doing this fifth question that was left in the last class.
Sir,
Okay.
he left.
Sir, they left.
Yes.
So maybe he's joining from what, laptop, or so he joined from iPhone, right? So maybe he will join from other device. Okay, yes. So the area you guys understood, right? So area will be length into breadth. So area, let's say AR is XY, right? Now the
Yes.
questions, now the question we have to focus on this question. So the area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. So the new area would be what? Gets reduced by 9. So now area is XY. Right?
-9.
Correct, sir. और आप जीते हैं 1 करोड़. Yes, so right is one. Okay, so and what are the conditions for that? So if its length is reduced by 5 units, so new length New length is what, Rizwan? The old length is x, and the new length, where is that? So if it's reduced by 5 units, so length is reduced by 5 units. So this will be what?
-5. X
Huh?
-5.
Yes, again correct, sir. Yes. And then yes, new breadth will be what? So this is increased by 3.
+3.
So this would be what? Hmm?
Sir, can you
Y +3.
Yes, right.
sir, can
Right.
you
Go.
explain from the start? Because I got things messed up in my mind.
What were you thinking, boss?
I don't know. Sir. I messed up with length, breadth, and length.
Okay, boss, we have to concentrate body and soul, everything here, right? Physically, mentally. Okay, yes. So let me repeat it again, right? Okay, so you know this is the area, right? And what they are doing that they are reducing it. Let's say they are reducing this by 5 units, right? They are reducing this by 5 units. So let's say this is 5. Okay, so this area is reduced and the length is increased by 3 units. So length is increased. So this will be the new rectangle. Okay. So this would be the new, okay, so this is very glittering. Sorry about that.
No.
So this is the new area. Understood? The length
Mm.
gets reduced to 5, and this was total was x, and breadth is increased by 3. So this is understood. So the new area is reduced by 9 square units, right? So the new area is reduced by 9. So whatever the actual area was, it is reduced by 9. Okay, clear up to this
Okay.
point?
Yes.
Now, yes, so the new length is what? So new length is this, right? Let's say length, I have already written new length. Okay, so new length is this, right? And new breadth
Yes.
is this. So what will be the new area from this perspective? New length into new breadth. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And we already know that this is xy minus 9. Okay.
Mm.
Any doubt, sir?
No, sir.
Yes,
No.
Rizwan, sir. Any doubt, sir?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes. So now we will focus on the next condition. Okay, 67 square units. Okay. So if now what is the latest? Yes, latest area. I would change the name. So latest area is what? If the area increases by 67 square units, right? So area increases by 67 square units. Am I correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the latest length?
Mm,
Yes. So Rizwan.
Length. Okay. Length.
+3. X +3.
Yes, correct, sir. And what is latest breadth?
Y +2.
So they have increased both. Okay, so they have increased both. Right. So what would be the? Please keep in mind this. Right. Please keep in mind this. And I forgot to write the equation. So this was x minus
Sir,
5.
the screen is stuck. I think my internet problem. It's
Screen is what? Are there
for
any?
me it's stuck.
So it's stuck.
Yeah.
Should
It's like
I stop?
It's working.
So for Rizwan, okay. So this time Rizwan has talked to his
Mhm.
internet guy, right?
Yes, sir.
And solve all the issues. Right.
Yes.
Yeah. Good job, sir. Good job. Yes.
yeah.
And Tala, are you
Mm.
still facing that
No,
issue?
I mean the sir, it's like it's written until latest area equals x y plus 67.
Okay. So let me stop sharing and then I will again share. if that works for you. Let me work from my side. Okay, if that helps. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, is that okay with you, Rizwan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me stop sharing. Okay, my face is coming. Okay, so yes, and then where were we? Yes. So, is my screen visible to you guys? Did Adil join? Okay, he left.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now it's good. I think I'll turn this side.
Now is it working?
Yes, sir. Now it's working.
Okay. So as I was saying that this will be the new area, right? Length, new length into new breadth, right? So let's keep it this in somewhere. And what would be the latest area? According to question, the latest area would be, this is what xy plus 7, but length is how much? Length is x plus 3 and breadth is y plus 2. Right, this is xy plus 67. Now I will ask you guys one question and see if you guys remember the polynomial chapter or not. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rizwan, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the degree of this term? Who is going to say first?
The degree of
1.
1. So Rizwan
linear.
answer is 1. And Talha is
Linear.
also linear, meaning 1.
Yeah.
And let me make you guys remember. You guys forgot. So yx
Equal
has,
to?
yes. So my answer is 2, right?
Oh, no.
Yeah. So this guy has 1 power. This variable has 1 power. So total power on the variable, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, Talha sir?
Yes, sir.
So this is looking like a degree 2 question, but we have only did the what linear equation. So we see further that if simplifies or not. Okay, so this is our second equation. So let us write the first equation. X minus y. Are you guys writing? Did you guys reach up to this point? Or you guys are, so first let us understand and then you guys note down, right? Because important is that we understand the question first, right?
Okay.
So this would be x into y, this is xy, and this is x into 3, so this is 3x. This is minus 5 into y, minus 5y, and this is minus 15. Now you can see that the problem is solved, right? Right, guys?
Mm,
Right, guys? So this would be 3x minus 5y would be equal to xy minus 9, and this would be plus 15, and this would be, am I correct? I just
Like,
took this
yes, sir.
guy, right? Any problem? Okay, any problem, sir?
Can you explain, sir, again?
Okay,
yes.
so this we want to have a linear equation, right? So we can keep this guy in this side, right? That is how we solve the problem. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and we take this guy in here. So xy is
30.
plus, so this is minus xy, right?
Yes,
After
sir.
the equal sign, and this guy goes here, so this is plus 15, right? So I just place this in the right hand side, took this guy into the right hand side. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this guy cancels, and we have a simple looking equation, which is 3x with this guy is what, 6, right? So now this is, let's say, the third equation. Now this looks good, right?
Mm,
Do you have any more question? You can.
No, sir.
Rizwan, any problem?
I
I'm
can
here.
explain the part where you got 15, or did you got 15 and 9?
15 and 9.
No, the
So
15 and 9.
15. So x this guy multiply with this. So xy,
Oh,
and this guy multiply with this. So 3x, right?
mm,
And minus 5 guy multiply with y. So minus 5y. And minus 5 into plus 3 is minus 15, right?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. So now, and you know that we have to take this guy in this side. So right hand side. So that is how this will cancel. Minus 9 plus 16. Any more question? This one.
No,
No.
sir. No, sir.
Now, did you guys note it down?
Noting.
Okay, so let me take this guy. Oh, sorry, boss. Yes. So now let us solve this here. This will save some hassle. Right. This is the new guy. So x plus 3 and y plus 2. This is xy plus 67. Now you guys tell me what would be here.
X, Y,
Right, xy and then
plus X, 2X,
2x and
and then plus 3Y,
3y and then
plus 6.
right. Is that correct, Rizwan sir?
Yes, sir.
And then bring XY to there.
Yes, this guy and this guy in the other side. Yes,
Cancel.
yes. So again, let us directly solve this. Okay, so 2x plus 3y and 67 minus 6. This would be what? 61. Right.
Yes.
So this is our fourth. Now these two guys are looking handsome and well, right?
Mhm.
These were some goose,
Mm.
right?
Yes, sir.
So 2x plus 3y is 61, and this is 3x minus 5y is 6. Right. So which method we should use?
Mm.
Which method?
Elimination.
Right. Elimination. Let's do this. Right. So this would be 6x plus 9y, and this is 383, right? And this would be how much? 6x and minus 10y, and this is 80. Right. So this simplifies, and this becomes 9y is how much? Okay, wow,
Sir,
wow,
is
wow.
not 18.
Yes, yes. Huh? 12.
Like,
Yes,
yes.
yes, yes. I'm not well today, so sorry about
you know,
that. Yes, so 6 2s are 12. I'm feeling feverish. So 3 2 1 8 1 what? 817. Right. So is this divisible by? Yes, this is divisible by 19, right? This is 19 into 9 is how much? Okay.
171.
Yes, so y is 171 by 19, which means 9. So y is 9 meters, right? What was the units? I forgot. And x would be, so let us calculate x from here. So 3x minus 5y is 6. So 3x minus 5 into 9 is what? 6. So you guys tell me the answer. Okay, my back is gone. What would be the answer? Oy, oy, oy. So 9, 5, 45 minus, so x is minus, huh? Oh, no, that is plus. 45 plus 6. Yes, 45 plus 6 is 51, then 17, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir, 17.
Okay, so let us write, did you guys note it down? So,
Yes,
so this implies x is 17.
17.
Whatever, yes, so whatever the units, I don't, whatever, yes. Okay, was it meters or what? Whatever the units, right? Right, so yes, so any doubt in this question? That is why I wanted to do this question, because this was a tricky question. Okay, any doubt in this question, guys?
No, sir.
Talazar?
No, sir. No.
So let us move on to the next exercise, which is based on, pair of linear equation in two variables. So this was, yeah. So which is based on equation, yes, so which is based on equation reducible to pair of linear equation. Right. So let's take one example. Let's say 3 by x plus 4 by y is what? Let's say 20. Okay, and you have 4x. Now 4 by x, 4 by x plus I don't know where my mind is going. So 5 by y is, let's say, 8. Okay, right, guys? So can you see that what is the power of in here? So this is -1, right? Right, guys?
Yes.
X has power -1, right? So, and y has also power -1,
Minus.
right? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is, these guys are not a pair of linear equations, right? But what we can do is that we can change this into pair of linear equation. Let's say if I put 1 by x equals to, let's say, p, and if I put 1 by y equals to, let's say, q. Okay, so this equation will be reduced to what? 3 1 by x plus 4 1 by y is 20, right? And this would be what? 3 1 by x is p, and 4q is 20. This is the first equation, and this would be what? 4p plus 5q is 8. Now these guys are looking good, right? Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now we can solve for p and q, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us solve for p and q. This is 3p plus 4q is 20, and this is 4p plus 5q is 8. So let us multiply 4 here, 3 here. Okay, so this would become 12p plus 16q. This is 80, right? And this would be 12p plus 15q, and this would be 24, right? So this would be minus minus minus. So this would be q equals to 6, and this is 7 minus 2 is 5, right? Q is 56, and what would be, what you guys calculate, what would be P? Calculate P and tell me. Okay. So what we will do, Rizwan, here to calculate P? What we will do to calculate P? We know Q, right?
Yes, sir. We
So
need to
what-
cancel
P
Qs.
plus 4 times.
Yes, so we will put it here, value of Q, right?
Yeah.
Yes, so are you guys noting it down? Should I wait and then start or what? Okay, so note that down and then we'll go ahead. Oh, I noted. So are you understanding what is happening in your school?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, nice, guys. Okay, did you guys note it down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about you, Tala?
Sir, actually not noting it down, sir, because I can understand.
Oh, yes,
I'm
yes,
able to
boss.
understand.
Yeah, yes, then you note it down, right? Okay. So P we can calculate, so 3P plus 4 into 56, 56 is
Sir,
what,
P is
20?
equals to 60.
So 3P, huh?
I got 68.
P is 16, 68.
60.
So let us see. 60, 16 or 60? Which one? One or two?
68. 68. There is no, it
68.
should be
Okay.
minus.
You yes, now yes. So you can say this should be minus 20 minus this is how much? So 24 and 4 5 are 20 and then 22. Right. So this becomes so this is 4 and this is 0 and this is 2. So this is minus and P would be minus of 204 by 3. So 6 8. Right. Correct answers are
Thank you, sir.
okay. So now did you note it down, Rizwan?
Yes, sir.
So now our idea becomes fruitful, right? You guys will see. Okay, so in the meanwhile, let us. So what was our x? Right, right, guys.
Yes.
So now 1 by x is minus what 68. So x would be minus 1 by 68. Right. Similarly,
Yes.
1 by y is 56. So y is 1 by 56.
By 56.
Right, bosses?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this is the trick. Whenever you see in the denominator, you can. So in this chapter, we will be learning that how can we change any type of equation into reducible to the pair of linear equation, right? Because we only know about the linear equation to variable solution, right, guys? Now let us, yes, 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 Rizwan, you were saying
Nothing,
something.
sir.
Okay. Now let us do the exercise. Okay, so Huh? Okay, so this was the previous. Okay, okay, these guys, right? So whose turn is it? Mine, Rizwan, or Tala? Hmm?
It's,
I guess
turn.
mine.
Is it my turn?
Yours.
Yes.
Okay, so is it Tala? Okay. Which one? What are you guys saying? So mine. Okay, me, Rizwan, and Tala.
Yeah, so you start off.
So you can start.
Yes, so because this one is simple, this is looking tough and right. Okay, so 1 and first 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is 2, right? And 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is what? 13 by 16. So what should we put? Oh, so this is my turn. So we should put 1 by x as p, right? And 1 by y as q. Okay. Right, guys? So,
Yes, sir.
so the first equation would be what? This would be p by 2 plus q by 3 is 2. Right, guys? So let us take the LCM. So this is 6, this is 3p, 2q, and 2. So we have 3p plus 2q is 12. This is our linear equation. Right, guys? And then we have what? Then we have the second equation, which would be what? So this would be p by 3, right? And this would be q by 2. And this would, right? So again, we can take the LCM. So this would be 2p plus 3q is 13 by 6. So this guy cancels, right? So we have 2p plus 3q is 13. This is the equation where that we were looking. Right, now we can solve. So 3p plus 2q is 12 and 2p plus 3q is what? 13. Right, so multiply by 2, multiply by 3. Okay, so this would become 6p plus 4q is equals to what? 24. Right, and this would become 6p plus 9q is equals to 39. So this is minus, this guy cancels, so minus 5q is minus of what? 15. So q is 3. Right, guys? Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now we will find the value of p. So 2p plus 3 into q is 30. So 2p plus 3 into 3, which is 9, is 13. So 2p is what? 4. So p is 2. Right?
Yes.
So p is 2 and q is 3. So what will be our x and y? Are you guys noting it down?
Yes.
Okay, so please note it down and then we will go ahead. Or what should I do? My health is... Okay. So did you guys understand why this was P by 3 and Q by 2? Okay, I made a mistake or what? Yes. So did you guys understood why this was P by 2 and Q by 3? Right, na?
Can you explain the P part?
This part. Which part?
Yeah, the last part.
So did you guys understand this part? Huh? Why this was P by 2 and Q by 3? Did you guys? So yes, Rizwan Tala. So did you guys understand this part?
You just broken. No.
So why this was P by 2?
Because of equation 1.
Yes, so equation 1, you have 1 by x, you replaced with P, and then in the denominator, this was 2. So P by 2 plus 1 by y is Q, so Q by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, so Rizwan, what were you asking?
I was asking the last part. Therefore, P by 2. The last one. How did you got?
So yes, so we used this equation, right? So 2p plus 3q is
Yes, sir.
13, right? And we know the value of q.
Yes, sir.
3 3s are 9, so 2p is 13 minus 9, right? Which is 4.
Yeah.
So this guy cancels, so
4.
p is 2, right? Right, guys?
Okay.
Okay, so we have p was how much? 1 by x. So p is 2, which is 1 by x. So your x will be 1 by
2.
correct, boss. And q is 3, right? So this is
1 by 3.
yes. So 1 by y is 3. So y is 1 by 3. Right, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so now did you guys note it down? Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, yes, Rizwan, your turn. So just we have to put some, we have to replace your whatever the variable is so that it gets, it changes to linear equation. That is our idea, right? Yes. Okay. Yes, boss. So please look into this question. So 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is 2, and then you have 4 by root x, 9 by root y is minus 1, right? So what will you put?
Yes. Change the root x to that p.
Yes, so p would be what? Root x or 1 by root x? Which one?
Root x.
So if you put root x, so
Oh, yeah,
this will,
1 by root x. Sorry.
yes. So so this is p. Oh, sorry, guys. P is 1 by root x, and your q is what? 1 by root y, right?
Yes, sir.
So now this equation would be what? 2p and simple, right?
Yeah.
And this would be 4p minus 9.
4p minus 9q. equals.
Now this is a simple looking equation.
Yeah,
You
simple.
guys solve and tell me the value of P and. Okay. You guys tell, oh, my health is. Okay, so let me, you guys are solving, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So let me print out. Did you guys find the answer?
If you just like go back, I feel like I did a little wrong, but then I don't know. Can you just go back? I'll just check.
Okay,
Think.
so you want me to go back? Only 3 questions in this. 5. Okay. So before I go back, just write these 2. Right. So
Okay. Which two?
This one. 2 and 3.
Oh, okay.
Sorry about that, guys. So 2 and 3, topic 5, right? Right, guys. Okay, so what were you telling, Talha?
Okay. I feel like I put the wrong number.
Okay, so
I'll-
that makes the equation a different, totally different equation, and you will get the wrong answer. Okay, so where was I? Yes, this one, right?
Yes.
Yes. I put 3P.
3P. Yes,
That's
I
what
was.
saying.
Right?
Wait, how I
Huh?
got. I don't know.
Yes, Rizwan, what were you saying?
Mm,
Yes, Rizwan, what were you saying? अरे बिंदास बोलने का.
I'm confused.
Any confusion, you tell me. What is the confusion? We and Tala will try to fight that confusion.
Sure.
We will take that confusion to the ground by hook or by.
Mm,
Yes.
So after two plus 2p plus 3 cube
Right.
equals 2 and 4p minus 2q minus is equal to minus n.
So this is 9Q, right? This is 9.
Yeah.
Yes. So
yes,
this
I do.
is. Yes. So what was the confusion?
So what we have to do?
So we put 1 by root x as p,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
And we q as 1 by root y, right?
Mm.
So our equation reduced to 2p plus 3q.
P, 4, yeah, 3q.
And this reduces to 4p and minus 9q, right?
Yeah.
And now we have to solve this, right?
Mm.
So this would be what? This one is easy one. So 2p plus 3q is 2, and this is 4p minus 9q is minus 1 to multiply 2, right? So this would be
Yeah, 2,
4p plus 6q is 4,
6q.
and this is 4p minus 9q is minus 1. So this is minus, this is plus, this is plus. So this becomes what? 15, right? And this becomes 5, right?
Yes, sir.
So q becomes, so this is 3, 1. So q is 1 by 3,
1 by 3.
right?
Yes, sir.
And now what would be our p? So 2p is the, so 2p plus 3 into 1 by 3. This is 2. So this would be 2p, this cancels. So this would be what? Plus 1 is 2. So this is 2p is equals to 2 minus 1. So 2p is 1, p is 1 by 2, right? And p, we know this is 1 by root x. This is 1 by 2, right? Yes,
Yes, sir.
boss. So root x will be 2, right?
Mm,
And if we take root over here, so this would be square. So x would be 4. Am I correct, guys?
4, okay.
And q, we found out q was 1 by
And root 5.
yes, root y, which was 1 by 3. So
Yes.
y
Y
was
will be 9.
right. Right. So any
Okay.
doubt, sir? Oh,
No, sir.
guys, please spare me. I want to end this class now because I'm not feeling that okay. Is that okay with you guys? I'm leaving 3 minutes
Yes,
early.
sir.
So before I leave, any question? Tala,
No,
boss.
sir.
Tala.
Oh, sorry, I was muted. Okay. No, sir, no.
No worries. Right. So in next class, that would be your turn, right?
Yes.
So yes. So and Talha is sending me his homeworks, his one. So please, you also send, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So